Hi everyone, my name's Miss Laura, and today I'm going to show you one of the techniques that you'll need to know to do our next take and make craft, which is this pony bead lizard. You might have seen these kinds of crafts done in other animals. You can do different objects, and there's really one key technique that you need to know to make this, and as soon as you learn that, the sky's the limit. You can find patterns online, you can find them in books, you can even make up your own patterns. So you can pick up one of these lizard kits here at the library through the drive-up window or by coming into the youth services department. And now let's get started. I'll show you what you need to know. Okay, so in your craft kit, you're going to have a piece of ribbon like this and all of the beads that you'll need to make the lizard, as well as the keychain. So to get started, we're going to start following along the pattern that's going to be on your instruction sheet, just following along with this image. So we're going to start with one green bead, and we need to make sure that it is halfway in the middle of the ribbon, essentially. So I just strung the ribbon and then got it to the middle to make sure that both ends are the same length. Now to get started, it's a little bit light, so it moves around a little bit. So I'm going to use a piece of tape to help me hold it in place just for the beginning, and then we'll take that tape off. So this is going to be the lizard's nose. So I'm going to tape that down so it doesn't move around quite as much. Okay, now we're going to get started on the technique I was talking about that's going to be really the key to the whole lizard. We're going to string our two green beads, the next row in the pattern, these two green beads, onto the right string. I'm going to lay the string across so it makes sort of a shape like this. Then you take the left string and you're going to go right back through the beads that we put on there. Be a little tricky, just keep going until you see it coming out the other end. Now grab both the right string and the left string and start to pull. I'm going to take my tape off now so we can pull it nice and snug. And just keep pulling. You might have to adjust it a little bit, and that's okay, but you just want to pull until it's nice and snug. And that's perfect. That's the beginning of our lizard's nose. Next on our pattern is the lizard's eyes. So we are going to do one blue bead, one green bead, and then I forgot my other blue bead. Let me get it out of my bag of beads. We're going to put our next blue bead on. So we have blue, green, blue. We lay our string over, take the left side, string it right back through the beads that we put on there, and then pull both sides. Perfect, and that's it. As soon as you get the hang of that, you are good to go. I'm going to do one more row, and then I'm going to show you how to do the arms and legs of the lizard, because it's just a little bit different than what we've been doing so far. So thread over, next ribbon through, and then you pull. Okay, now we have the lizard's head, and now next on the pattern we need to do the two arms. So the arm of the lizard is green, but the hands of the lizard are orange. So we're going to start with two green beads, string it on the right side. Then we'll put 3 orange beads right after it. Okay, so this is a little bit of the tricky part. Normally we would put this side of the ribbon over and then use the left string, but we're actually going to keep using the right string and string it right back through the 2 green beads that we put on there on the same side. So you're just going to pull, and you might need to hold on to the beads as you pull so it gets nice and tight and snug, and it sort of makes his little arm there. I'll show you on the other side again how we did that. You put your 2 green beads on, then your 3 orange beads, now we're going to hang on to the same side of the ribbon and put it back through our 2 green beads and then pull snug. You might have to adjust a little bit, keep pulling, and there we have his 2 front arms. And that's the exact same thing that you'll do once you get to the legs of the lizard. And then once you do the arms, you just keep following along the rest of the pattern until you're all done. I'll do one more row, string them on the left or on the right side, put the ribbon over, take the left side of the ribbon and put it right back through. Then pull snug. And that's how you make the beaded lizard.